Imagine a time before history was written, before cities touched the sky, and before laws governed man. This is the world of Mesopotamia, the fertile land between two great rivers, where civilization itself was born. We invite you on a cinematic journey back to the very dawn of human history, to trace the origins of everything we now take for granted: writing, laws, and the city itself. Our story begins with water. The lifeblood of this ancient world flowed from the twin arteries of the Tigris and the Euphrates rivers, nourishing the land and allowing life to flourish. This region, known as Mesopotamia, meaning, quote, between the rivers, earned its enduring title, the cradle of civilization. It was here, in this fertile crescent, that human society first took root. Geographically blessed, Mesopotamia was a land of constant flux. The annual flooding of the rivers deposited nutrient-rich silt, creating unparalleled agricultural potential that attracted early human settlement. This arc of rich land, often called the Fertile Crescent, became the epicenter of development, drawing nomadic groups and prompting new ways of life based on permanent residency. The true genius lay in innovation. By harnessing the power of the rivers through intricate irrigation systems, Mesopotamians turned arid plains into productive fields, securing food surpluses that supported larger, permanent communities, like the earliest city-state of Sumer. The Sumerians were pioneers. They established the world's first true city-states, sophisticated societies complete with specialized labor, organized governments, and monumental architecture. Perhaps their greatest contribution was cuneiform, the earliest known writing system. Pressed into clay tablets, this remarkable invention moved humanity from prehistory to recorded history, enabling complex administration and storytelling. But the Sumerian genius didn't stop there. They are credited with the invention of the wheel, foundational advancements in mathematics, the development of the plow, and even early astronomy, fundamentally shaping human capability. Life in Mesopotamia revolved around the divine. Their complex polytheistic religion mandated grand structures, and the ziggurat, a massive tiered temple, dominated every city skyline, serving as the link between heaven and earth. Political power was often intertwined with the religious sphere. Priests and later kings, like the legendary Gilgamesh, were seen as mediators between the people and the gods, establishing authority through both divine right and military strength. These magnificent ziggurats were not merely places of worship. They were the economic, social, and spiritual hearts of the city-states, symbolizing the power and organizational skill of the Mesopotamian people. As city-states competed, larger, more unified powers began to emerge. The history of Mesopotamia is a continuous cycle of rising and falling empires, each leaving its mark on the region. The Akkadian Empire, led by Sargon the Great, was the first to unite the region under a single ruler, establishing the world's first multinational empire and demonstrating the power of centralized authority. Later, the Babylonian king Hammurabi gave the world one of its most important legal documents, Hammurabi's Code. Inscribed on a stela, it provided a comprehensive framework of laws, influencing legal systems for millennia. Though the empires of Mesopotamia eventually faded, their influence did not. Their innovations were passed down, becoming the bedrock for civilizations that followed. From the Egyptians to the Greeks and Romans, many foundational elements of Western civilization, from organized agriculture to urban planning, have their roots in the Mesopotamian mud. Even today, we rely on their legacy. The 60-second minute and the 360-degree circle are direct descendants of their sophisticated sexagesimal number system, and their careful study of the stars laid the foundation for modern astronomy. Mesopotamia remains a testament to human ingenuity. It was a place where necessity truly was the mother of invention, giving us the first chapters of the human story. Thank you for joining us on this journey.